Hey everybody, it's about 5 o'clock and the sun just went down on my driveway to where I can actually do some work. It's been so hot today, not much has been able to be getting done. I did install my headlights, the other RV light in the driver cab, and now I'm about to install the pass-through for the electric. It's the NoCo AC port plug, and right now I got the 2-inch hole saw set up. I got a 1/8-inch metal bit for a pilot hole to be drilled. I did pick up some adhesive clear RTV silicone and tested it out on a piece of metal, and I wish I did have an 1 7/8 hole saw. It's a little big, but we're gonna have to make it work. Going around onto this side, I mapped out the brace, the diagonal brace that comes down the floor, and where the wall or the back of the truck is. So I pretty much got a dot right there for the pilot hole. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get the hole saw started. I'm gonna get the pilot hole started, and we go right to the 2-inch. That's pretty good. I like it. You can get too crazy. I got a lot of space on that side, but start slow. There. Ooh, I dogged it up a little bit. That should be covered. I'm gonna get a file, clean this up, and then I'm gonna go right to making the screws that are gonna hold the port on. So let me file that up and I'll get to it. Okay, so I got this all filed up and got the lettering all straightened out. Made 3 marks in here so that I can use these self-tappers to go in and fasten this to the truck. So line those holes up and make sure they're straight. Screws that come with it are self-tapping, so they just go right in. Alright, go soft on that. Nice. And this right here. Alright. It's pretty decent. Now I'm going to take it back off. This off. Open our RTV silicone sealant. I don't even think I need this nozzle, but we can puncture it. There we go. gonna be generous. Nice bead all the way around. That's a lot. I'm just being generous with it, but alright. And that worked out. So let's hold it back up. This is gonna be a mess. Oh yeah. This screw. There it is. There it is. Got that one started. Get the other two started. Alright. Give it a snug fit. Not too tight. And I got a bucket of water all ready for this excess. I'm gonna get to the dry paper towels after this, but to finish this mount, just move the rest away, squeezing out a little bit more. Alright. I think I'm gonna dry it up with some dry paper towels and this should be it. Be right back. Alright, so definitely good. Works. Like it's all cleaned up a little bit. Need some soap and water after it dries a little bit. I ain't gonna mess with it with too much water, but go around. We have a little more of the sealant all the way around. I made sure I was generous with it. Hey everybody, it's a couple days later. The port was installed, the RTV set nicely. It's rained a couple times and no water to be seen. The van, I haven't done too much. I basically been trying to edit videos. I went and bought a new computer because the last computer I bought was actually a gateway with the operating system of Windows 7, and the software couldn't be used on the computer I had, so I bought a new one and been editing videos for the last couple days. It's been a challenge, but definitely learned enough to where I can get this first video out. And this was a nice little project. Putting a hole in the side of your van, a little nerve-wracking. I've seen a couple videos, people have already had them done, and I hope this helps somebody or gives somebody enough confidence to actually go do it, because the van conversion community is amazing. Like, people just strive to help each other, and I want to be a part of that conversation. Hopefully now with the editing I can get these videos out quicker. The van conversion is one of many projects. I'm going to be all across the board. I mean, as far as gardening, home improvements, I just want to help as many people as I can, because there are so many people on YouTube that I appreciate, because information, sometimes people don't want to give it to you, and it's a pain trying to get it from them, especially like mechanics. And there are enough mechanics on YouTube to where you should be able to fix your car yourself or know somebody that can actually do it. So I'm going to walk you over right now. The installation's been done. I have a couple of videos with that, and what I want to do is start editing that video and show you how I did some of this work. But the port turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I do want to run outlets. I'm going to eventually snip the end of this and wire it onto an outlet. I've seen a couple people do that, and then you can continue a run down the van. So when you're at a campsite, you'll have plenty of power. For right now, this was my first video. I hope somebody could use this information. This is the beginning of my van conversion, and hopefully a lot more projects to where I can edit it and get it out there to where you guys can use this information. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe. Everybody knows the deal. Thank you.